Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. We're here with another You Can't Make This Shit Up Coronapocolypse style, part 2. Unfortunately, as I stand before you here today, we are still in the middle of the Corona apocalypse. I'm an eternal optimist. I see light at the end of the tunnel, right? I always have, and it's more clear now. We are getting closer and closer to it. At this point, every state is kind of making their own moves, their own restrictions, their own regulations, and requiring face coverings in public is now something we are seeing in various states. Considering the fact that Michigan has some of the most stringent lockdown restrictions in place currently, right? We had a big protest here in Lansing yesterday, right? It was supposed to be everyone in their car, and then what do you know? Everyone decides to get out of their car. Nobody's got a mask on. They're all over each other, and now we look kind of stupid. A little disappointing. They did not respect the social distancing. As you can see, I take it very serious. I want to be ready when Michigan launches the requirement to have a face mask on when you're outside or in a public place. And I thought, why not take it to the next level and include eye protection? I have fused together this Shark helmet and this K&N air filter. I wish it wasn't pre-oiled from the factory, but it is what it is. I'll just breathe that stuff in. I'm not really that worried about it. I am fully protected. Here today on the table, we have another special return that we want to share with you. This is exactly how we received this helmet back, okay? I would have to say you could probably throw this off an overpass and it would still be unscathed, okay? So the customer did a fantastic job of sending this back to us safely, I think. We haven't seen it yet. With that said, we are missing the box. Normally, that's a problem, but you know what? Here at STG, we love everybody, and we're here to work with you. If I open this up, and this helmet is in perfect condition, Rick already said he's got a box in the back. We're just going to go ahead and box it up and call it a day, right? Let's see. This is like Christmas, but better. There is somebody went through a lot of trouble here. We got a lot of tape. We got a serious amount of bubble wrap. I would also say this probably dramatically increased the size of the package that they had to use to send this back. All shipping today is pretty much dimensional. You know, it's charged off the dimensions off the boxes. End of the day, the customer probably cost themselves more than they had to by taking these extreme extra precautions. Not going to lie to you, my field of vision is somewhat limited here. If I cut myself with this knife, that's going to be a little embarrassing. Who's done this to their kids at Christmas time? Like just wrap something up in such a manner where it's just incredibly difficult to get it open. I feel like I'm getting paid back for that. Okay, here we go. All right. There we go. There's the helmet bag. And look at that. This bad boy is in 100% perfect condition. This is a Scorpion EXO T510 helmet. My wife actually has this one. She snowmobiles in this. She loves this thing. This is a size, what size is this bad boy? This is a 2XL, okay? You know what we're going to do? Whoever leaves the funniest comment in this video and could use this helmet, right? You have to make me laugh. I'm going to give you this helmet free of charge. Coronapocolypse giveaway number 2. I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com.